VST here, Balance Big Stack. Welcome back to the channel. S26 Ultra here, running the latest One UI 9 Beta 3 Android 17. S25 Ultra here, running the latest and greatest stable One UI 8.5, and this is the recording. There is a new version released for the One UI 9.0, and I would like to share with you the new features. But first things first, let's do a version check. What I have on the One UI 8.5 is 21.58630, and here on the One UI 9 Beta 3, 21.5.90.68. So right, this is here a new version, and it might look similar, but there are UI changes to start with. So as you can see, I have two recordings on my S25 Ultra. And they're displayed like this here. So the whole media control, this is how it works, all right? And this bar is bigger than what we have here. What happens when we click on the latest version? The moment you do so, it's really weird because you can see that it's not going to really give you this bar here, which is a bit weird, all right? So the whole thing is gonna play, and then you can just play and pause, but you don't have an indication here, which is the time. And here I think on the One UI 8.5, it's a tiny bit more convenient because not only do you have access to play and pause, but you have also the full time of the audio and you know the current minute. Now, there is of course another change, which is probably cooler, like the whole bar here is pretty much gonna show you the same thing. Then this information from here is actually shown here. This is a long recording, almost a full hour, and the moment I start playing it, you're gonna see that I'm gonna have the indication here of the running time. And you can also see, by the way, like this is really cool UI change. You can see the sound wave. In the old version, it's a bit more static, all right? So the only visual change here, besides this button, the play and the pause button, is the fact that they changed also this thing here. And honestly, I really love that one change. Everything else probably looks about the same until we get to the settings version, because this is really where things get interesting. So I'm gonna compare it one by one. The first menu that I have here is the transcript assist. On the very new version for One UI 9.0, I have summarized transcript. I do have that as well here on my One UI 8.5. Then I do have the option to auto transcribe voice recording up to 3 hours, and this works here and here as well, so I cannot consider this thing to be a new feature. We have auto detect language, we have auto transcribe recorded calls and direct voicemail, and then we have the language back. It should be pretty much the same, okay? So one last thing here is more Galaxy A features, which will just go to the Galaxy A. So no new features here. The next thing is the recording mode. We still have the standard and interview, but you can see you can see they changed the layout, which I think makes more sense. So now you have the overlay here with the description, and then you have the option, and it's a bit weird on the older version. So okay, this is just like a minor change. Then we do have the recording stereo again. You know, this reflects now the new design, pretty much still similar. Okay, what else do we have? We have the recording quality, pretty much the same, and then we have block calls while recording, and then we have use Bluetooth mic when available. Like these settings, I don't have them here. This is pretty cool because now I can connect something via my Bluetooth and use that as the source, which is pretty good. Everything else seems to be a bit of a similar, although here we have playback. Here there is no playback. And if I just scroll to the very end of the list, all right, one thing pops up, and this is the managed storage, which completely it's not available on the old version. Now I can free up to almost 800 megabytes of my space by deleting suggested items. So it's gonna show your whole internal storage, and it's gonna suggest items for you to delete. So I have one large recording that is almost 186 megabytes, all right, which I can do, by the way. I can delete that one. Show recordings, all right, I can just go here and check all my recordings, 8 items here, and then I can also go and select my old recordings. And even, let's say, if I am to choose like the auto record function when someone calls me, there's going to be something called scam calls from where I can access and delete those items. So honestly, the biggest change here for me is this managed storage thing, and also like this new wave interface, which is automatically captures pretty good. This is really good, man. I can just show a bit of a more. So this is some of the audio I'm using on some of my other videos, and it's really good the way it really handles this and the way it shows and visualizes the sound wave. Let me know what you think down below, and yeah, an APK is gonna be also available if you want to try this out on your phone. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.